Slack channels are essential for organized communication, and creating them is straightforward on both desktop and mobile. On desktop, open Slack in your browser or app. Click the plus icon next to Channels in the sidebar. Select Create a Channel and enter a name and description. Choose if it should be public or private, add members if private, and click Create. On mobile, open the Slack app, tap the Channels icon, hashtag symbol, tap the plus button, select Create a Channel, enter the details, add members, and tap Create. Both methods are quick, usually under 30 seconds. Channel names must be unique within a workspace and can include hyphens or underscores for better organization. Slack AI can now suggest channel names and descriptions during creation, making it easier to get started. Mobile channel creation has increased significantly, now supporting voice-to-text naming for quick setup on the go. Expect AI to further automate channel management with predictive suggestions and automated moderation features. Salesforce plans deeper integrations with AI tools to enhance channel functionality and workflow. These advancements are particularly great for remote teams, enabling seamless collaboration across distances. Spotify's engineering teams use project-specific channels created via both desktop and mobile methods to coordinate effectively, reducing response times by 50%. These trends and features make Slack channels more powerful than ever for modern workplace communication.